Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure the weather app can read location. This is essential. Open Settings, tap Privacy, then Location Services and switch it on. Once done, scroll to Weather and select while using the app or always to ensure live location updates. You do this now so the app shows your local forecast automatically. Without it, search and manual entries are required. Make sure location accuracy is enabled and that any VPN or restrictions aren't blocking access. Open the weather app next. You'll see your current list of locations. Tap the list icon, then the plus button to add a new place. Type a city name, postal code, or even coordinates to find it. Once results appear, tap the correct entry to add it. If you want this new place as the default, press and hold its row and drag it to the top, or delete others you don't need. This organizes forecasts so you get the one you want first. To finish, make your chosen city primary by dragging it to the top of the list. That becomes the default view when you open weather. If the app won't update location, force close weather, toggle location services off and on, then reopen. If problems persist, restart the iPad, and as a next step reset network settings. This clears Wi-Fi or VPN interference. Finally, confirm Do Not Disturb and background app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.